Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI, and 2026 is coming up, and we need to see why we need to buy Leadzen.ai apps when 2026 is coming up, and why it should be better if there are so many apps for lead generations, and that also have an AI. So, first of all, this Leadzen.ai app, the only app on earth the way it works. Fully automated, fully mail sendings, up to scrapping. You don't need to even tell or submit your information. It will auto create your mail signatures and send the mails to the leads. You can also download those leads. It will remain 24 hours and you can download as a CSV file, upload it on your CRMs, or you can keep it. And it's also generated blogs for your business with highly optimized and schema markup, whether you e-commerce store, business owners, work from home, or freelancer affiliate marketers. So that's really crazy things. Also, you get images on your blog, so you don't need to worry about the blogs. You need to generate images. You just copy all and paste on your blog site and publish. And you can also see SEO if you go to the settings and change your page. Right now it have Automation Partners AI, so it's gonna give me only that page SEO optimizations guidance. Also give you by real-time SEO factors, so you're not getting misleading misinformations. Also, it's gonna give you what type of information you need to provide. Instead of this, what you can place. It also suggesting you what to do. So whether you have no skill in SEO, blogging, and search, it's doing all this stuff. So if you go with other lead generation apps, they also have an AI, and they tell you to generate the mail copy using their AI. Then you put your information over there. Sometimes you need to build your mail signatures, and then you can send. But here you don't have to worry about. You just finish your setting once. If you don't know how to do that, there are other video on our YouTube and social medias and websites and blogs. Also, you can find out from help, or if you can still do the settings parts, you can contact with us. So it's really highly optimized AI based lead generation apps. And if you have high risk product like CBDs, arms, peptide, health, wellness products, you can add the compliance AI know your business. It will do in its way, so you don't have to worry about. So you provide, if you change any business information in real life, you come over here, change it, will send the information, everything in your way. And we have Google My Business, LinkedIn is coming up very soon, more are coming, like real estate. So all these things are coming up, and if you worry about how much it costs you very low. $59 and very affordable. It costs you very affordable, like $59 monthly, and the usage cost is 2 cents. So if you're still thinking, I will buy later on, so what will happen? Like, you already have a business, you're using lead generation apps, and somebody will buy this, and they will move 10x faster than you, okay? And they will generate blogs 10x faster than you. They doesn't need to do so many audits, so many things, and they will just copy and paste over there on their business, and then will publish. And in futures, we will have the blog sites over here. You don't need to worry about designing blog sites, because AI built for you, and AI will build in a way every single times the design you will sell never ever before somewhere else, okay? And you can highly optimize that, and SEO based you can use by coding. You can also drag and drop. and it will be get organic traffic because it will be following up organic traffic factors and whitehead SEO, all the stuff. Same as for websites, there will be another features over here that about the websites. So you will generate the website, and after publish, what happens? Every day in scheduled systems, it will generate the blog and publish on your websites on its own, and promote on social media on its own. So you don't have to worry about what to do. Even you can revise and change a part, but AI will not make mistake. Just look at that. There is no mistakes. And it's giving you more precise and more informations. Even it's giving you button design. I don't know why it get. So this is really crazy. So if you go to the SEO parts, it will give you SEO audit reports that you saw already. And if you go to the my leads and search and all this stuff, so why you still need to buy this even after knowing that? Yeah, not now, but if you don't buy now, what will happens? I mean, in future you might gonna need to buy in more higher price. Okay, like $59 is lifetime for now, monthly plan. If you buy right now, and next 50 seats will enjoy a $59 lifetime. Next all will need to buy with more subscriptions after when 50 buyers will exceed, and they might gonna need to pay more than that, but these 50 first buyers will enjoy $59 lifetime, but usage cost will remain fluctuated. I mean, it will raise or based on how many users cost based features we are gonna add. So we can't stop it, but we can help you with the lifetime subscriptions. Okay, so this is the best option right now in 2026 to use the most advanced AI apps. We guarantee you all the future features we are bringing on over here. You will never ever see with anything. You never saw the Leadzen.ai apps comparable any apps that can do this unique and the best of the best. And that's the reason we are working very hard for you. It solves many problems for the businesses, for promoting, marketing, sales, so many things. Affiliate marketers, I mean, you just place the affiliate marketing link and it will send mails with this. You have to turn it on. So all these things is given on our other videos before. You can check this how to do that. We also add the playlist of how to use Leadzen.ai app and setting up and running, onboarding, everything. You can also check that, and you can start Leadzen from tomorrow. So more you buy, it will help us to bring more futuristic features that will benefit and fix your problems a lot. So comparing to this with other AI lead generation apps, this is way more advanced for 2026, just like you see sci-fi movies. So we are adding more and more, and we hope you will enjoy, and it will help you a lot. If you find any kind of issues in our apps like bugs or anything, I hope you will not get, you can contact on our official websites, mails or phone numbers. Okay, have a great day and stay safe. Bye.